Hey Treaties, let's go glamping one more time. Stay tuned for part 4 of my glamping series where I give you a tour of our Charlotte, North Carolina campsite. Roll that intro. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Christine, and Treat Talk is where we explore travel destinations and the eats that go with them. Today, we are going to tour McDowell Nature Reserve, located in North Carolina, right outside of Charlotte. This campground is where my husband and I stayed for the remainder of our first glamping adventure. Be sure to check out my tour of our first campground, linked in the description box below. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the McDowell campground, pros, cons, and other helpful details. But before we get started, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video. Let's get started. McDowell Nature Preserve is located in Mecklenburg County, North Carolina, which is about 30 minutes southwest of downtown Charlotte. The park is open to the public year-round except most federal holidays. It is best known for its nature center and outdoor recreation activities such as hiking trails, fishing, and bird watching. McDowell has 56 total campsites. 13 are restricted to RVs, and the remaining 43 are open to tent camping. All RV sites have water and electricity hookups, and 2 of the 13 RV sites have the additional sewer hookup. There are 2 types of tent campsites at McDowell: drive-to campsites and primitive campsites. Drive-to sites have water and electricity hookups, whereas primitive sites require hiking gear to access, and there are no hookups available. All campsites have picnic tables, fire pit grills, and access to centrally located bathroom and shower facilities. Gravel parking and/or tent pads are available at RV and drive-to campsites only. We stayed at a drive-to campsite, which we booked in advance on their easy-to-use online reservation tool. Prices for the park were extremely reasonable. We paid about $28 a night for our stay. The campground is located in a highly wooded area, but we visited during the fall, so most leaves had fallen by then. Some pros we loved about the campground included private bathrooms. So each bathroom contained 1 toilet, 1 sink, and 1 shower. There were not multiple stalls in each. The campground was extremely peaceful, although this could have been due to the small number of campers that were there during our stay. It was extra clean and there was extra security. There were periodic park ranger patrols, which was nice to know, and park maintenance was super on top of collecting trash and cleaning bathrooms. Trash receptacles were located at each individual campsite. The view was absolutely beautiful. We happened to pick a site with a great view overlooking the nature preserve. Nearby shopping. There was a shopping center less than a 10-minute drive away where we could go pick up things that we forgot or needed. To be specific, the shopping center had stores like Super Target and Home Depot. I had 2 cons for this campground. Although our campsite had a beautiful view, it was situated on a steep hill that made me uneasy because of my fear of falling. That particular campsite may not be somewhere where you'd want your kids to play, but the campground had plenty other safer sites. The other con is the uneven campsites. Most of the campsites are not level, so our car had to be parked at an angle. If you have an RV, you definitely have to bring leveling equipment. Check-in times for each campsite are 3 p.m. and check-out times are 12 noon. Check-in is super easy. You just pull up to their info kiosk and notify the attendant that you have arrived. The tag to hang in your car is placed in a prepared welcome packet that they place at your campsite. Also, at the kiosk, you can buy firewood for $5 a bundle or ice for $2 a bag. The kiosk is only open from 10 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. each day. Additionally, After the kiosk closes, a code is required to enter the campground area. The code is sent to you after your reservation is confirmed. An extreme glamper might be pleased to know that there are a lot of tasty takeout options within driving distance, wink wink, and if you wanted to change up your scenery for one day while camping, the Carowinds Amusement Park is only 20 minutes away. My final thoughts. All in all, this campground was perfect for a quiet getaway. It allows you to connect with nature and recenter. It's definitely somewhere I would camp again. I'd just pick a different campsite that's a little more leveled. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful and want to hear about my future camping adventures. I'll see you next time. But until then, you know what to do. Keep on treating.